So I just finished the restoration job on these Pacific 7s. I had to do the whole body over. So this color, I had to make that from scratch. I didn't have that. Plus the light blue right here, I didn't have that. You could see I didn't want to dirty my palette, so I just used an envelope to mix down the colors to get the light blue. So I did the whole thing over, both sides. Only thing I did not get to do on this side, and I don't think I will do it. I mean, the color is absolutely perfect. Came out great, both sides. Only thing I couldn't get to do is right here. See, that is glue that was used to stick it. And I did not want to take it off and damage this end, so I didn't do that. But I mean, overall, man, they look good. You know, they look really good, and it didn't take long. I mean, the longest part of it was probably mixing the color down to get this color. Because it is kind of a tan vanilla kind of colorway. So you gotta know how to mix it down. I think that's one of the most important things in painting. Now I got some paint on the bottom. I gotta clean this. Is just the knowledge of how to mix down colors. You're not always gonna have all the colors people need, so you gotta know your colors, your primaries, and your eyes gotta be good to catch the color that you need. So I was able to do both sneakers, and not even use a lot of paint, just by using a couple others that I had to mix it down. And this is the finished product. Laces are already washed, insoles are washed, so I gotta do put them in and they're ready to go.